This is a SoundPEATS Clip 1, a pair of open-ear earbuds that promise feather-like comfort, Dolby audio, up to 40 hours of battery life, even during a rainy day due to its IPX5 water resistance, all without ever blocking the world around you. I'm Dancing with Ted, and I encourage you all to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Like, come on, so many of you guys watch my videos all the time, at least a couple hundred of you guys, so please like the video. It would truly help with the algorithm on YouTube, so go ahead and hit that like button. I can't stress how much it's important to like these videos. Now let's get right into it. We're checking out the SoundPEATS Clip 1, and these might just be the most comfortable and lightest earbuds I ever tested out before, thinking them as your ear's best friends. With high-res audio and a touch of sci-fi engineering, and I want to thank SoundPEATS for sponsoring today's video. So now let's look at this unboxing. You know, when you look at the box, you got the high-res audio, wireless, Dolby audio, Clip 1. So they're already advertising it. They need to feature my face on one of these covers. And then, of course, you got some information. You got your user guide. Let's look at the user guide. You got information you can use an app and stuff like that. And then you got your little cool pictures. I like these. My daughter really enjoys them. And then of course, you got the main event. You got the Clip 1 buds themselves. They're basically open earbuds when you clip around your ear. Look at that, nice. I like this, very nice. And yeah, so light too. Put a clip around your ear. And that's pretty much what you get, if I'm not missing anything. Okay, I had to break the box to get this out, but you also get your USB-C type cord, so that way you'll be able to charge up your device. Now these earbuds have a nice silicone texture. It feels really nice around your ears. These open earbuds are feather-light, and it's about approximately 5 grams. And the crazy thing about it is, it's almost as light as a sheet of paper. Now, this device has an inflex design that fits on your ear like a glove. Now, the SoundPEATS Clip 1 audio is crystal clear while on the phone talking to someone. Honestly, the sound is crystal clear, and if I had to compare it, it's definitely comparable to my Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is pretty amazing. Even if you're watching a YouTube video, Netflix, or listen to your favorite soundtrack, the audio is clear, and with Adobe Audio enabled, it definitely enhances the sound quality. And with all this sound power, it really shows how impressive the battery is off of a single charge, which you'll get 8 hours and roughly 40 hours total with the case. And if you're not trying to miss out that beat to that ludicrous song, Roll Out, a 10-minute quick charge gives you roughly 2 hours. Now, one common issue with open earbuds is sound leakage. SoundPEATS tackled this issue with the Sound Focus Tech. What it does is it directs audio precisely into your ear canal, so people nearby barely could hear what you're listening to. For under $100, SoundPEATS Clip 1 combines comfort, awareness, water resistance, and high-end sound that surprisingly is good. These clear earbuds feels like the best balance between everyday usability and premium sound features. So if you looking for something different, I recommend trying these Ring earbuds right now. Again, I'm just giving you my honest opinion and my personal thoughts as I truly enjoy using these clip-on buds. If you enjoy honest reviews like this, make sure you check out more videos I have on the channel. And please like the video, especially if you made it this far. If you got this far to the video, just go ahead and hit the like button, because that like button is very, very important. And if you hit the like button, if you're down there and you see that subscribe button, come on, you may as well go ahead and subscribe. Again, I thank SoundPEATS for sending me out this product to try out. I really enjoy it, and like I said before, it has some really good sound quality. So like I said, I like it. If I like it, you might like it. But anyways, if you do end up getting this product, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment at the bottom below, and I'll make sure I get back with you guys. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.